प्रोनाउंस को ही आगे कंटिन्यू करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं प्रोनाउंस के थर्ड एंड फाइनल वीडियो पे। रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस, संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम। A pronoun that shows the relationship between the noun and the words following it in a sentence is known as a relative pronoun. It is used to join a phrase or clause with one another. Who, whose, whom, which and that are the words used as a relative pronouns. जो सर्वनाम किसी वाक्य में संज्ञा और उसके पश्चात आए शब्दों में संबंध स्थापित करते हैं वो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस कहलाते हैं। इनका प्रयोग वाक्य में फ्रेज या क्लॉज को दूसरे से जोड़ने के लिए करते हैं। और हु, हुज, हुम, विच एंड डेट ये रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस के रूप में प्रयुक्त किए जाने वाले शब्द हैं। जैसे हु, हुज एंड हुम इज यूज फॉर पर्सन्स ओनली। हु, हुज और हुम का प्रयोग केवल व्यक्तियों के लिए ही किया जाता है। एग्जाम्पल, yesterday I met the architect who designed this building. The old lady recognized the person whom she met on the way. Which is used for non-living things and for animals. Which का प्रयोग निर्जीव वस्तुओं या जानवरों के लिए किया जाता है। The necklace which I wanted to buy has already been sold off. The hare which escaped the lion was shot dead by the hunter. That is used for both persons and things. That का प्रयोग व्यक्तियों और वस्तुओं दोनों के लिए होता है। जैसे This is the car that I have been speaking of. This is the dictionary that my uncle gifted me on my birthday. What refers to things only. What का प्रयोग केवल वस्तुओं के लिए ही होता है। We cannot get what we need. You can't always get what you want. Sometimes as is used as a relative pronoun when it comes after the word same or such. कभी कभी as का प्रयोग relative pronoun की तरह होता है जब वे सेम या सच शब्दों के साथ लगता है। The solution to this problem is the same as the solution to your problem. He is such a person as I respect. Now, position of the relative pronouns. The relative pronoun should be placed next to or near its antecedent. Otherwise, the sentence might appear absurd. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को उनके एंटीसीडेंट के बाद या पास लगाना चाहिए, अन्यथा बेतुका लगेगा। I sent to my friend a bouquet of flowers who was admitted in the hospital. And second sentence is, the boy was called by the principal who had cheated in the examination. Now see, in the first sentence, the relative pronoun who refers to my friend. So it should be placed close to the word friend. Similarly, in the second sentence, the relative pronoun who refers to the boy. So it should be placed close to the word boy. पहले वाक्य में relative pronoun who to my friend को रेफर कर रहा है, इसलिए इसको friend शब्द के पास लगना चाहिए। उसी तरह दूसरे वाक्य में relative pronoun who the boy को रेफर कर रहा है, अतः इसको boy शब्द के पास प्रयुक्त होना चाहिए। तो ये ऐसे लिखे जाना चाहिए, I sent a bouquet of flowers to my friend who was admitted in the hospital. The boy who had cheated in the examination was called by the principal. Now, joining sentences with relative pronouns. We can use a relative pronoun to join sentences. हम relative pronoun को वाक्यों को जोड़ने में भी यूज कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि we are keen to help the people. Their houses have been damaged in the tsunami. So we can join these sentences. This way, we are keen to help the people whose houses have been damaged in the tsunami. Next, here is a list of things. I want you to get them from the market. So, here is a list of things that I want you to get from the market. And third is the deal has been finalized. We were discussing it yesterday. The deal which we were discussing yesterday has been finalized. Thank you.